Hi, my name is Joey Cha, and this project, it's a Bluetooth module microcontroller. Okay, so it's two LED lights controlled by a Bluetooth module on an Arduino board. And what an Arduino board is basically, it's called a microcontroller, but it's actually just like a really small computer, and you can do a lot of things with it. Yeah. So a Bluetooth module, it just sends information to the Arduino board, and it lights up these LEDs whenever I send certain information to the module. So how I send information to the module is that I use Mentor's phone here with a certain application that allows you to send information to a Bluetooth device. Here, just one second. Okay. I just connected to, so I have to connect the, okay, it crashed. Technical difficulties. This happens a lot.
Crash by hockey.
Right. So, I'm just going to explain while it's loading. I'm going to explain how it works. So, oh wait, it's, okay. So when, okay, I got it. Almost. Okay, so it's connected, and what I have here, I can send data and I can receive data from the Bluetooth module. So if I send the number one of these LED lights will light up. Yeah. Right. And then I'll send 0. When I send a number 0 to the Bluetooth module, it turns off. So when I send the number 2, it's supposed to. Sorry. When I send 3. It's supposed to turn on the second light, this one right here, but you can actually see it a little bit. But the reason it's so dim is because the computer's power. So this Arduino, it's all run from the power comes from the computer, and the computer's power, it just isn't strong enough to apparently keep this LED at full brightness. And also something went wrong with the code. And for some reason, the first LED light will turn on when it's not supposed to. So yeah, it's not perfect. So yeah, it's not perfect.
It's a work in progress.
And then to turn the second LED light off, I just press 2, and it should be off. It's off. The little tiny orange light is not there anymore. If you look kind of closely, it's not there. And then if I just want to turn everything off, I just type in 0, send it, and it's off. Okay, so an Arduino board, I mean, you can do a lot more things than just turning 2 lights on and off. I mean, that's kind of boring. You don't want to like just. There's nothing in turning on and off a light. One really interesting thing I learned that you can do with an Arduino is you can actually hook it up to the Google Voice on a device. And you can kind of control your house with that. You can say like lights off in this room, and the lights in that room will turn off if you hook it up to the Bluetooth module, and then you hook the Bluetooth module up to Google Voice. Yeah, you can program it that way. So the way okay, so the way the programming works is that I first have to set the pin numbers and variables and everything. I have to set up all the variables, numbers, and those things. And then the actual code, the loop, I just set up a bunch of I created a set of if and else statements, and what those are is that if a certain condition is true, then it will do one action, but when it's not true, it will do another action. And then if that's not true, there's something else. If there's something else there, it'll do that. And it can go on forever. It can go for a long time. But in my case, there were only 3 if-else statements. 1 if, actually no, 4 because 1 if 0 was sent, 1 if 1 was sent, 1 if 2 was sent, and 1 if 3 was sent. So yeah, and that's,
Questions?
any questions? All right.
What if 1 was sent? What does 1 do?
Oh, well, 1, it turns on this light right here. See if you, yeah, turn this one on.
Only that one?
Yeah, because I set 1 to turn this one on. If I press, I think it's 3, then you can kind of see it. Can you see the little orange light right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it turns that one on too. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, but then what about 2?
2 will turn off those lights, or the orange light. It turns off the orange light. Yes.
What is that?
Oh, that's the computer.
No, that's
That's not part of my computer. It's not part of mine.
Oh,
But it's pretty cool.
It looks cool, but I don't know what it is. Yeah. Any other questions?
Is it cool?
Yes.
so the if-then conditional questions, those are like algorithms?
I think so.
Did you learn that at mathematics? Or did you
I already knew about it.
part of the math here?
Any other questions? Yeah.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Thank you, great job.